Hi, let's see the easiest way to restake if you don't have an EigenPod address. First, visit our Ethereum Staking dApp at eth.p2p.org and connect to the Web3 wallet. After connecting to the Web3 wallet, enter the amount of ETH you want to stake, for example, 32 ETH. Under the field, you will see the option EigenLayer Restaking with the checkbox. Activate the checkbox. Blue means activated. After you activate the checkbox, note that the button Continue below the screen switches to Create EigenPod Address. We need to create an EigenPod address by pressing the following button. The creation of an EigenPod address happens by calling the EigenLayer smart contract. As the user requests the calling of a smart contract in the Ethereum network, the user must pay gas and sign the transaction in your wallet. After the user has signed the transaction, the EigenPod address will be created, and its withdrawal credentials will be automatically filled in the Withdrawal Address field in Advanced Settings. Continue the process with the Continue button. The system starts the staking process and shows you the final staking details. Review details and press the Stake button. dApp will ask you to sign the transaction with your Web3 wallet. After signing and the transaction is pending, the system will confirm that your stake is done successfully.